Hi there! Today we will have a tour inside this map called the Grammar Map. This map will help you effectively learn grammar. It's free, it teaches all the lessons that will help you write error-free sentences. It is designed to be super easy to use and understand. All lessons are a chunk, meaning every topic is short and sweet, and you can even finish all the lessons in a weekend or less. By the way, you can get this map on our website, www.grammarhappy.com. Just fill out the form and I'll make sure to send it to your inbox. Now, if you're ready, let's begin. If you open the map, it will take you to this actual layout where it shows a series of topics. For now, I want you to ignore the words that you see and focus first on the map's layout. Notice how there are topics on the left. There are also topics inside per box. They are grouped together, starting from the top down to the bottom. There is a particular reason why these topics are enclosed together, and we also call these groupings blocks. The goal of the layout is to help you easily remember and relate to the topics when you start navigating through them later. After observing how the blocks are organized, the next thing I want you to notice is the pointing lines connected in each block. The purpose of the blocks with pointing lines is to inform you that the items inside those blocks have full control over the items that are being pointed to. What exactly does that mean? Notice how the adjective block points to the noun block, as well as how the adverb points to the verb, adjective, and to its own, the adverb itself. They are pointing to these blocks because each of the words that I mentioned has the ability to describe other words, which in this case, the words that are being pointed to. The adjective block points to the noun block because it describes nouns. The adverb block points to the verb, adjective, and adverb blocks because it describes all of these types of words. You might want to stare at the map a little longer to get used to their rules. If you start clicking through each of these lessons and reading about them, you'll find out how these words really function in a similar way. For example, in the adjective block, you'll find out how each of these words can describe any of what's inside the other block. Same as the words inside the adverb block. Okay, so far you've seen the two important purposes of the grammar map. First, the map group related topics to help you have a visual model to organize what you learn in your head. Next is to show how the blocks point to or describe another block on the map. Now we're down to the last and most important purpose of this map. This is to show you the most ideal direction on how you can enjoy and effectively learn grammar. This is a literal direction because, as you will see on the next page, and when you start to use this map, you have to follow the numbers in order to get the most of your learning journey. Before I forgot, this map is also interactive. You can click on each topic according to where you're at. When you try to click any of them, it will bring you to a short lesson. Each of these lessons is designed to be concise, straight to the point, making sure that it will only teach you what you need to know when you need it. All lessons are short so that you can apply what you learn as quickly as possible. And that's about it. I hope you enjoy the map. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to share it. Have fun, and I'll see you again later.